Hello friends, today we will discuss about the subject called performance management. Here, the topic under the subject of performance management, we will discuss the need identification for training and development for performance management. Let's go through it. Need identification for training and development for performance management. Friends, first of all, the requirements of need identification starts with set clear expectations. Here, manager has to identify the training needs. Manager has to first set clear expectations for each role within the business. In order to monitor performance effectively, manager needs something to measure against. Review job description when the new positions are created or when making any substantial changes to existing roles, as well as periodically to account for smaller changes. Thus, the first step for identifying the training needs for the employee is set clear expectations. Second point, monitor performance. Here, measuring and monitoring performance should be embraced as a means to support employees. Here, it is clear mentioned that manager need not to penalize them and can be valuable tool to help managers to identify opportunity for development. Set clear goals for employee and respond to performance errors on an individual basis. So very first, after setting the expectations, the goal, the next one, the monitoring the performance indicates to set proper guidelines for employee for meeting the requirements of the management. Third, ask away. Instead, use focused employee evaluation to encourage honest and open feedback. This will create helpful dialogue about career development and enable managers to identify specific training requirements. Regular one-to-ones or performance reviews are a great way to have an open conversation and give honest feedback. Ask employees to rate their job satisfaction and performance and what would make it better. Also ask them to comment on manager's current training program and whether it's supporting their career goals or not. So in third step, manager has to make a dialogue between different employees and staff of the management. Next one, analysis. An analysis of the business strategies and goals, as well as an analysis of tasks being performed to achieve those goals, should help to identify training needs that are specific to each team and job. Tapping into what's going on under the surface will help the managers spot where training is needed. Basically, training required three categories. First, improving staff knowledge about the industry. Second, job related needs. And third, personal development. Next point, set up personal development plans. Here, giving employee the opportunity to work on personal development can have a profound effect on their motivation and how much they feel invested in the business. Setting up personal development plans that manager review on a regular basis improves communication and will also help managers to identify any relevant work related training needs. Next, set up a focus group. Here, focus group are a useful starting point to identifying training needs within the business. A focus group looks at a cross section of employees within the business under the guidance of an expert facilitator. This is a useful way of gathering employees' views and opinions about current training and how to improve what is on offer. Focus groups also help to demonstrate that managers are genuinely interested in the employees' opinions of managers. And last one, set up a system of monitoring, mentoring, and coaching. Here, closely aligning staff with a mentor will help to develop skills and in the process identify any additional training and development needs. Mentoring programs are a great way of helping employees succeed in their careers. So these are the steps to identify the training requirements or training needs for the performance management. So these are the objectives or the reasons for requirement of training and development for performance management in the organization. Thank you very much for watching this video.